Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
We're talking a little bit about in a split system where the air handler and the heating core is in a closet in the hall. And then you've got the separate unit outside. We've already talked about let that baby breathe. But we were just getting ready to talk about whether or not to clean those coils. How and I know you have a very specific protocol to coach people through that. Let's give them some Chuck Knight professional tips here.
Okay. If you're artsy-fartsy and you're okay with tools in your hand, take the top of the air
And the
conditioner.
unit is on the ground.
It's on the ground. Yes. Stay off of the roof. Do not mess with my air conditioner on the roof. I will take care of it for you.
Okay.
But on the ground, if you want to do some maintenance, you take the fan motor out. You loosen the screws. You tip the fan motor out of the cabinet. Take a low-pressure hose, and from the inside, shoot it out through the coil. Start at the top and work your way down. When you see the amount of dirt and brown water that comes out of it, it will knock your socks off. You go, well, they look all bright and shiny.
That's right.
But look what's coming out of there, fella.
Oh, man.
You know, but you hose it backwards like that gently. Do not high pressure it, especially with the spine fin coils that trained American Standard use. They are tremendous heat sinks, but they also are a little bit fragile to high pressure water. Do never, ever use a car pressure washer on your coils. Period. Don't do it. Just don't. You'll be paying a lot of money.
Not even a spray nozzle on the end of the hose. Just rinse it off with the open hose.
Oh, an open hose is the very best, or the fine mist nozzle held close. But because that's still, by the time it gets out there, the pressure is dissipated.
All right.
But no high volume, high pressure.
But you do not stand on the outside of it and wash it in.
You're pushing the dirt into the coil.
Yeah.
And that's going to interfere with airflow and heat dynamics.
That's a pretty critical component of repair and maintenance. Okay,
you do home maintenance. And by the way, be careful when you take the fan in and out that you don't bend the blades, because then you'd be paying me a bunch of money to come out and twist a blade. You don't want to do
I'm
that.
not brave enough to remove the cap. When I do mine, I do not take the top off. I just spray right between the little blades.
There you
Because
go.
you've been doing this for 40 years.
There you go. There you go.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.